Hey everyone, and welcome to CSK. Are you a die-hard fan of Jason's Deli's sweet and savory chicken salad? You know, that perfect blend of textures and flavors? Well, today we're bringing that deli favorite into your kitchen. Grab your apron and get ready to recreate this iconic chicken salad. Okay, I have 12 ounces of cooked chicken breasts that I've shredded pretty small. I like to cook mine in the crock pot for this. I can do it ahead of time. The 12 ounces was about 2 medium chicken breasts. Now we're going to add half a cup of crushed pineapple that's been drained. This is what gives Jason's Deli chicken salad that special tart and sweet taste. Next, we're going to add a half a cup of mayonnaise. Now 2 tablespoons of slivered almonds. That adds the nice little crunch. And a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Now we just want to mix it all together. Now, depending on how well you drained your pineapple and the dryness of your chicken, you may add a little bit more mayonnaise. Just mix it together and see what the texture looks like to you. And I think it needs just a little bit more. I have maybe another 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. The wetness is really going to depend on personal preference too, and how you're going to use it. If you want it on a sandwich, of course you don't want too wet because you don't want a soggy sandwich. And there you have it. Now let's just serve it up so it looks nice. The best part about making this at home is you can customize it to your taste. Add more or less of the sweet ingredients or throw in some extra crunch. This chicken salad is so versatile. You can serve it on sandwiches, crackers, or on a bed of lettuce. You can even use it to make another of Jason's Deli's menu favorites, Shelly's Deli Chick. It's a large croissant topped with a generous portion of the chicken salad, leafy lettuce, and a slice of ripe red tomato. With Easter just around the corner, it'd make a great addition to a luncheon. What about putting it on mini croissants and adding it as a brunch choice? I think that sounds like a winner. I hope you liked this video and give this great and easy recipe a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more restaurant copycats and delicious budget-friendly meals. As always, the recipe is just below the like button, as well as a link so that you can print it out. Thanks so much for watching, and until I see you next week, have fun in the kitchen.